Messy cords ruining your vibe? Sleek socket to the rescue. Does your kitchen counter look like a jungle of tangled cords and bulky plugs? You're not alone. Many of us struggle with unsightly, unsafe wires that clutter our spaces, leaving us frustrated and overwhelmed. Whether you're powering a coffee maker, toaster, or blender, it's a daily battle to find enough outlets without sacrificing style or function. But what if there was a sleek, simple way to tidy up those messy cords and reclaim your countertops? Enter Sleek Socket, the ultimate solution for a cleaner, safer, and more organized space. Imagine a world where outlets disappear and wires stay out of sight. Sleek Socket turns that vision into reality. With its ultra-thin, wall-hugging design, this outlet concealer blends seamlessly into your walls, instantly transforming your space. No more bulky plugs sticking out or cords dangling behind appliances. Designed to be as functional as it is beautiful, this kit includes dual 3-foot extension cords and 3 outlets to power devices on opposite sides of your counter. Whether you're a minimalist or a busy multitasker, Sleek Socket helps you stay organized without compromising style. Frustrated by hard-to-reach outlets and complicated installations? Sleek Socket eliminates the hassle with its tool-free, plug-and-play setup. Simply snap it into place, and voila, instant organization. The included adhesive strips and cord clips make it even easier to keep cables secure and out of sight. Say goodbye to endless DIY projects and hello to effortless elegance. Plus, its high-quality ABS material ensures durability, while a UL certification guarantees safety, giving you peace of mind as you power up your appliances. Who knew tidying up could be this simple? Why waste time untangling cords and battling limited outlets when Sleek Socket offers the perfect fix? Its dual 3-foot extension cords reach both sides of your counter, providing power exactly where you need it. No more cramming appliances into a single socket or rearranging furniture just to access power. Affordable and universally compatible, this outlet concealer is designed to fit any standard outlet, making it the go-to upgrade for kitchens, offices, and living rooms alike. Finally, you can focus on what matters, cooking, working, or relaxing, without worrying about tangled messes. The search for the perfect cord management solution ends here. Sleek Socket combines elegance, practicality, and affordability in one compact design. Created by a small, family-owned US business, this product not only looks good but also meets strict UL safety standards. Whether you're battling cluttered counters, managing tight spaces, or simply craving a polished look, Sleek Socket delivers results. Upgrade your home today and experience the joy of a clutter-free, stress-free lifestyle, because your outlets deserve better.